McKinsey reports 400 million jobs vanish by 2027. Not might. Will Lahr's Salesforce already cut 8,000 employees. One AI replaced them. Data entry roles are extinct. Customer service positions are gone. Accounting departments are collapsing. Goldman Sachs estimates 300 million white-collar jobs at risk globally. Legal document review once took teams. Now Claude does it in seconds. Radiologists are next. IBM Watson reads X-rays better than humans. Coders are panicking. GitHub Copilot writes production code daily. Your industry is on that list. Probably today, maybe tomorrow. The timeline accelerated faster than experts predicted. 2027 is no longer theoretical. It is arrival. Like and subscribe for more. Zero input AI every day.